Dear students, we will see today carminatives and GI regulators. Under this class, the important drugs are asafoetida and nutmeg. The objective behind this topic is that the student should able to know the monograph of asafoetida and nutmeg. Very first drug, asafoetida. Asafoetida is famous as gum asafoetida and it is also known as hing. It has another synonym as a devil's drug. Biologically, asafoetida is a oleogum resin obtained by incision from the living roots and rhizomes of Ferula foetida, which belongs to family Umbelliferae. Its morphological characters are its color is yellowish white to reddish brown, with odor intense and persistent. Again, it penetrates and has a alicious like. Taste is bitter and alicious and acrid. Size is found in tears of about 0.5 to 3 centimeter in the diameter. Shape is tears like as well as it is found in the masses. They are rounded or flattened. Chemically, asafoetida contains 4 to 9% of volatile oil. Main volatile oil is pinene. It also contains 65% of resin and 20% of the gum. Resin contains asaresinothenol free or combined with ferulic acid, asaresinol ferulate, which is a ester of asaresinol and ferulic acid. It also contains this ferulic acid upon hydrochloric acid treatment. It uses umbellic acid. Umbellic acid, after losing one water molecule, gives us umbelliferon. In the chemical test of asafoetida, very first test, when on fractured surface, if you add sulfuric acid, there is a red or reddish brown color. Very second test, fractured drug, if we treated with 50% of nitric acid, there is green color. Very third test, when we triturated this asafoetida in a mortar along with water, it forms yellow-orange emulsion. Very fourth chemical test is special test for umbelliferon constituent. In this test, 5 gram of drug is mixed with sand and 5 ml of hydrochloric acid. If we triturate it in a mortar and if we add a small quantity of water and filter, take the filtrate and add in the filtrate equal volume of ammonia, we will get blue colored fluorescence. Asafoetida is used as a carminative, nerve tonic, flowering agent and as an intestinal antiseptic. Our second drug is nutmeg. Nutmeg belongs to synonym Myristica or Nux moschata. In Marathi it is known as a Zaifal. Biologically, these are nothing but the dried kernels of the seeds of Myristica fragrans, belongs to family Myristicaceae. Nutmeg possesses organoleptic characters as color greenish brown to brown, odor is strongly aromatic, taste is pungent and aromatic, size is 20 to 30 mm in length and 20 mm in broad, shape is like a ellipse like called as ellipsoidal. Chemically, nutmeg contains 5 to 10% of volatile oil and 30% of fat. Volatile oil contains is 4 to 8% of myristicin, elemicin and saffron. Also one more constituent is there, geraniol, terpineol and camphene. Chemical constituents again, fat contains myristic acid, that is 60%. This fat is also called as a nutmeg butter, consisting of this myristic acid, palmitic acid, oleic acid, lauric acid, and it also contains protein and starch. Nutmeg is used as a carminative, stimulant, flavoring agent. Its volatile oil is used in treatment of rheumatism. In summary of this class, see what we have learned. We have seen the monograph of Asafoetida drug, which is obtained from Ferula foetida, and Ferula rubriculus belongs to family Umbelliferae. It contains oleogum resin, asaresinoternol, ferrolic acid are the main constituents, and is used as a carminative and intestinal antiseptic. Again, we have taken the nutmeg. In nutmeg, what we have seen? We have seen the monograph of nutmeg, that it is a dried kernels of Myristica fragrans, belongs to family Myristicaceae, and which also contains volatile oil and fat as a main chemical constituent, and is used as a carminative and flavoring agent. Under the quiz question, very first question, Asafoetida belongs to family Zanzibaraceae, Leguminosae, Solanaceae and Umbelliferae, and our correct answer is Umbelliferae. Very second quiz question is, Asafoetida is used as antipyretic, intestinal antiseptic, antidiabetic and antiviral, and your correct answer is intestinal antiseptic. Very next quiz question, Asafoetida contains resin, gum, volatile oils, all of the above, and our correct answer is all of the above. Very next quiz is, nutmeg belongs to family Zanzibaraceae, Myristicaceae, Solanaceae and Umbelliferae. Our correct answer is Myristicaceae. The next quiz question is, nutmeg is used as stimulant, carminative, flavoring agent and above all, and your correct answer is above all. Next quiz question is, nutmeg contains glycosides, alkaloids, volatile oils and resin. Your correct answer is volatile oils. The frequently asked questions under this topic are, give one example for carminative and mention the biological source, active constituents and uses of the drug. Very second, write biological source, active constituents, identification test and uses of Asafoetida.